Premier Scott Moe says the proof of vaccination requirement has increased vaccination rates, but he thinks it's run its course. And he hinted that isolation rules involving children may also be changing. Moe made the comments on Rolco Radio this morning. He says changes to public health orders could be announced in a matter of days. A couple hours later, Dr. Saqib Shahab participated in a regularly scheduled COVID-19 media briefing. He was repeatedly asked about Moe's comments and said any changes would be announced by the government.
We already have extended the current public health orders till the end of February. So, we already know what's in place for February. But what should happen in March, April, May, I think those are recommendations that will go to government and be discussed, and they still haven't proceeded at this point.
Shahab says there is evidence that cases are cresting in Regina and Saskatoon, but says the rest of the province is still behind in its Omicron wave. And he says that public health order changes could be announced while hospitalizations are still trending up.
Decisions will be made, but that may not align with what the arc would be for hospitalizations, which may continue to rise for several weeks longer, even though case numbers are declining before coming down.
Shahab says people need to complete all 3 doses for best protection against Omicron. He says third shots have plateaued in the province. And he says that shots for ages 5 to 11 also need to increase as they trail the rest of the country at just over 50% having a first dose. As for timing on public health order changes, the spokesperson for the government didn't provide any further details on when an announcement could be made. Adam Hunter, CBC News, Regina.